Okay, my name's Tyson. I'm going to do a raindrop experiment. All you need is your favorite color food coloring, some oil, and more water. Put the food coloring in your oil, 5 drops. Mix it up. Mixing it up now. Keep mixing until the oil mixes with your food coloring. This generally takes a very long time. Just mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And you can add a little more if you need to. And now, take the spoon out and dump it in. See the little raindrops? There's a lot of them. Okay, so this food coloring is heavier than the oil, so it sinks into the water. And these 3 are just getting like big and then going small. There you go. Try it at home. It's your own raindrop.